I always said like I was going to keep my relationship private, and one day I was just going to pop out on everybody married, and it just so happened I had a double announcement this time. Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today we're going to be talking about my life update. So if you'd like to see more, then just stay tuned. But before we begin, I would like for everyone to check out my website, lavidarosastyle.com, where you can find handmade cute accessories like the ones I'm wearing right now. The link is down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, you guys. So I recently posted on my community tab, and I posted pictures of me showing my baby bump, showing pictures of me and my husband, well, his hand. And a lot of you have seen that, but I decided to make a video in order to just, that's a major change on this channel. So I was like, I might as well do a video that people can come back to and, basically announce it on the main part of my channel. Yes, I am married. Yes, I am currently pregnant. I'm actually 6 months pregnant. And this is my bump. It's crazy. I've never really gotten that deep into my personal life on YouTube. When I first started YouTube, I was doing hair videos, and that's kind of what blew up my channel. And then I started doing TV show reviews. I might have given little bits and pieces of my life, but I never really just sat down and talked about it. So this is very awkward for me. But I do feel like it's something that is a huge part of my life right now. And on my last live that I did before this video, I was talking about Married at First Sight, and y'all saw the ring. And I couldn't get through the live without y'all talking about it. And I was just like, I'm one of those people that I always said like I was going to keep my relationship private, and one day I was just going to pop out on everybody married, and it just so happened I had a double announcement this time. I still don't plan on like putting my relationship on Front Street, but I'll give y'all a little bit. I've known my husband for years, since we were teenagers. And we kind of had this puppy love thing back in the day, and we kind of kept up with each other over the years, and then in the past couple of years we kind of reconnected and fell right back in love. He's pretty much the love of my life. It's like the definition of, if you love something, let it go. If it comes back, then that's how you know this is the one. I don't plan on showing him anytime soon. Unless he's comfortable enough to come on here, I'm not going to show him. He has social media, but he doesn't really post in it. He hasn't posted on his Instagram in going on 10 years. Like, he doesn't really post on Instagram unless it's the story. So I'm not going to post him because he didn't choose to become a social media influencer. I might come back on here and maybe do pregnancy updates. I was thinking about doing that. Y'all let me know if y'all like to see that. Also, if you have any questions, maybe I might do a Q&A, something like that, because I am 6 months in. So I could retroactively tell y'all what I went through so far during this pregnancy. We just moved into this house, so that's another life update. Let me just say this. I've been overwhelmed, in a good way though, not to the point where I feel like I can't take it. I've been overwhelmed just in general, especially the past few months. While I'm editing, I realized I didn't complete this thought, but I just meant everything is happening so fast, and I'm having these major milestones becoming a wife and becoming a soon-to-be mother. So it could feel overwhelming, but just the way that everything is falling into place, and it just feels so natural. And plus, I have a very supportive partner that is my best friend, so it makes everything that much easier. For those who don't know, my grandmother passed away a few days before Christmas, and I was her caregiver for years. We spent so much time together, and so that was a very hard loss for me because she basically raised me. So it was more so like losing a mother than a grandmother. We were very, very, very close. And I never got a chance to tell her that I was pregnant. So still to this day, I have a hard time. Like, I struggle with the fact that she's not going to be here, because we talked about me getting married, me starting a family, and I just, in my mind, I always imagined that she would be here for that. Like, my grandmother was an ordained minister, so in my mind, whenever I got married, she would be the one to marry me to my husband, and that didn't happen. So that was rough. Even though that was devastating, I have so much to thank God for. Like, I'm so blessed right now. My life is going great. Like I said, we just got a house. I have this job that I love. In case y'all didn't know, I'm now a loctician. Come check me out. If you're in the Huntsville area, come to the lock shop. We'll hook you up. Even that is new. Like, I just started that a couple of months ago. In case y'all want to see the ring, that's the ring. Your girl is married. It's just funny because this has to be jarring for people who have been watching my channel for a long period of time. For the longest stretch of time, I was super single. Like, I was single as a dollar bill, didn't have no prospects, wasn't really dating, didn't care to date. I had given up on dating. And, when I ran into my husband again, like, that was out of nowhere, and I really didn't even expect much to come out of that outside of friendship. So it just, like, knocked me off my feet, really. But it came at the perfect time. You know what I'm saying? Like, we could have tried this earlier, but I feel like that was the wrong time. This time makes the most sense, and everything is just falling into place now. I feel like I'm all over the place with this video. My grandmother did get to meet him, and she gave her a stamp of approval. And I know she's looking down, and I know she's so happy. Oh, I can't talk about it too much because I feel like I want to start crying. Because I know how much she would spoil my baby. Like, I know how much she would, like, just shower her with gifts, and she would just know what to do. Like, I'm a first-time mother. Like, a lot of these things I'm learning on the spot, and it's just, sometimes I wish I could call her. I wish I could hug her. I wish, what I'm saying? Like, I still dealing with that. But like I said, I am trying to focus on the fact that I am so happy with my husband, and we are bringing in this beautiful life, and just focus on a blessed future. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I really do feel like this video was all over the place. I really don't know what to say outside of, thank y'all so much for your well wishes. Everybody has been so supportive since I posted that video. I know it was a complete shock to y'all. Y'all had an idea. A lot of y'all thought I was just engaged, but that's why I was just like, y'all just don't even know. I had a big old bomb to drop, like 2 of them. Big bombs to drop on y'all, and y'all, it's just nice to see faces that I've been seeing for years, that have supported me for years. How, y'all have kind of seen the journey in a way. But yeah, like I said, if y'all have any questions, like, I'm not going to promise to answer all of them, especially if they're too personal, but y'all can leave any questions down below. Maybe, especially if it comes to pregnancy, if y'all want to see more of those videos, I can do those pregnancy update videos. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.